Hi everyone, my name is Janet Leah and I'm an artist and a visual arts educator with over 30 years teaching experience. And for the past 13 years, I've had my own business, Awe Studio. Now you can get my classes online too if you join us on Patreon. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a dog without using any outlines. Okay, now I'm going to show you with just one color how to draw a simple dog figure without any outlines. So I want you to take your blue or whatever color you have or piece of graphite and just allow yourself to create a round form like this. Not too dark, and let this form grow to a fairly large size, about the cap of a jar. And then right from here, I want you to create sort of an egg shape. From this round form, we're going to just make it into a kind of an egg-like shape like this. Almost a little bit pointed at the top. And now right away, we're going to start darkening here. These are going to be the ears of our puppy. We can make them go down if we want, or up. We can make them large or small. Here in the center of our face, we'll make another round surface with a really dark little round ball at the top and a little line in there for the mouth. And then we just have two dark circles for the eyes. And if you want, you could even put some eyebrows in. And now let's do a little shading right under that chin. Now we have a very cute head, but we have a pretty fat body. So let's start dividing the body off by doing some shading inside the circle. First, coming down in front of the body and creating some paws and some legs going up. And let's do that on the other side too. Let's create some shading inside the body, underneath the chin line, and bring that down. And maybe a little round form at the bottom for some paws. And over here we have the back of the body. We could also have like a paw there. And maybe the same thing on this side, a paw on this side. And then how about we give this little puppy a tail? And there you have a simple dog form without any outlines. If you want to add some lines at the end, how about trying it underneath the doggy or behind? So if you like this tutorial, I hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more of these quick how to draw videos. And I hope you'll join me on Patreon too.